In this example, we're going to show you how to build a dashboard, and we'll give you an intro into the layout of dashboard and how to build it and how to preview them and also to use it within the application. So let's go ahead and create a brand new dashboard. So we're going to call this dashboard, we're going to give it a name, and let's call it sales. Call it sales info. And we can give an order number here of 2, and let's open it in the workflow on the dashboard designer. We have various different types of dashboard controls that we can use. As you can see, we have numeric controls. We have graph controls like line graphs, bar charts, pie graphs. We have HTML dashboard controls, table controls. So let me take one of these. So for example, if we want to show number of active users within FlowWright, we can actually take this number widget. You will see this as a specific icon with a 1 in it. And the number widgets are pretty small in size, and we can also go into the properties of this widget. I can go in and I can change the title. I can call it, number of active users. Change colors here. I can do all that. I can save that. I can also click on this little icon and preview that. So currently I have 5 active users in this particular instance of FlowWright. I can also resize this. So you can see I can make this smaller, bigger. And as you can see, when I resize, this also follows a grid. We have a 12-column grid here, which will automatically snap to grid. So I can keep this size if I want. I can also take another one, errors by type. And let's make this a bit bigger and make it same size as the others. As you can see, when I move stuff, things move. I can put this here. I can even move this. I can do all this and put it. And let's put a graph below this. So we're going to go and let's say select the bar chart widget. And let's show something to do with user activity. And as you can see, it automatically jumped here because there's a space here available. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this guy here and make it a little bit. Let's actually let's make this small and keep it like this. And even here, I can actually preview this and see what the user activity graph looks like. Then I can take a line chart widget. Here I can see the login users by week. Let me put that. So we will see a little line graph. And we'll make the height a bit bigger also, so we can see stuff in a bigger graph. Let's take a pie chart widget and let's see process instances by status. Let's put that and we'll make that bigger. And here you can see I can actually move them around, and these things will move automatically to allow where I want to put these. So I think we have a couple of different types of graphs here, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and we can go ahead and save these. And all of these controls, dashboard controls, they have specific functionality built into them. If we want to graph something by bringing some data, we can also do that. You will see there's a SQL bar chart, SQL line chart, and a SQL number chart. And we'll do that in another video in our series here. So let's go ahead and save this. And let's do a preview. So we should be able to see what it looks like. So you can see I have 2 number widgets. Our bar graph showing user activity, logins by week. You can see that on the line graph, and then the process instances by status Okay? And you can also move these graphs around. It's a pretty cool feature. You can see, you can tilt them and look at these guys. So now that we have built the dashboard, if we go back to our workflow, and we should see our workflow sales info appear over here. So if I click on this, this will appear automatically. We can also control who should see this particular dashboard. So if we go back to our administration and dashboards, we can select the sales info and go to set dashboard for app roles. By default, it's set to all users. We can also set it for all users, or we can say only, in this case, I'm just going to select this editor's role and set this. Now, if somebody logs in and they have the editor's role, they will see this dashboard. Otherwise, they will not see this particular dashboard. And this is how you build a dashboard with just a few drag and drop. With a few clicks, you have a completely functional dashboard that you can have available within FlowWright. Thank you.